Welcome to Kooky Decor. Today, we're diving into something every book lover and home organizer needs: wooden bookshelves. Whether you're looking to create a cozy reading nook, organize your growing book collection, or add a touch of timeless elegance to your space, wooden bookshelves are the perfect solution. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about wooden bookshelves, from different types of wood and styles to the best ways to arrange and maintain them. We'll also share some creative ideas on how to make the most out of your bookshelf, whether you're into modern minimalism or classic vintage designs. Wooden bookshelves aren't just about storage, they bring warmth, personality, and charm to any room. Plus, with eco-friendly options and DIY builds becoming more popular, there are plenty of ways to create a bookshelf that
Wooden
fits your
bookshelves
style
have been
and
an
budget.
essential part of homes,
So,
libraries, and offices for centuries, providing both functional storage and an aesthetic element that enhances the character of a space.
And hit the bell icon so
Their
you never
appeal
miss
lies
out
not
on our
only in
latest
their
home and
durability,
decor
but
tips.
also in their ability to complement
Let's
a
get
variety
started.
of interior designs, from classic and traditional to modern and minimalist. The craftsmanship of wooden bookshelves varies significantly, from handcrafted pieces made by skilled artisans to mass-produced shelves available in various sizes, shapes, and finishes. Wood as a material offers numerous advantages, including strength, longevity, and a warm, natural appearance that other materials struggle to replicate. The selection of wood plays a crucial role in determining the quality and longevity of a bookshelf. Hardwoods such as oak, mahogany, walnut, and cherry are often favored for their durability and resistance to wear and tear, making them ideal for supporting heavy books. Softwoods like pine and cedar, while more affordable, are also popular choices, particularly for those seeking a rustic or farmhouse-style aesthetic. Each type of wood brings its unique grain pattern, texture, and color variation, adding to the uniqueness of every bookshelf. Staining and finishing techniques further enhance the wood's natural beauty, allowing for customization to match various decor styles. Design-wise, wooden bookshelves come in countless variations, from freestanding units to built-in shelving that maximizes space utilization. Traditional bookshelves often feature sturdy, thick shelves with carved details, lending an air of sophistication to a study or library. Modern designs may incorporate sleek, clean lines with minimalistic aesthetics, emphasizing functionality and simplicity. Modular bookshelves provide flexibility, allowing users to expand or reconfigure their storage as needed. Floating shelves, which mount directly onto walls without visible brackets, create a contemporary and space-saving solution, ideal for small apartments or offices where floor space is limited. One of the advantages of wooden bookshelves is their versatility. While their primary function is to store books, they can also serve as display units for decorative items, family photos, plants, and collectibles. In living rooms, they can function as entertainment centers, incorporating compartments for media devices and accessories. In bedrooms, bookshelves can double as nightstands or headboards, providing convenient storage without occupying additional space. For children's rooms, low-height bookshelves encourage easy access to books and toys, promoting organization and a love for reading from an early age. Customization is another significant advantage of wooden bookshelves. Many manufacturers and carpenters offer bespoke services, allowing customers to specify dimensions, finishes, and designs that suit their needs. For DIY enthusiasts, building a wooden bookshelf can be a rewarding project, enabling personalization and cost savings compared to store-bought alternatives. The process of selecting wood, cutting, assembling, and finishing allows for creativity and craftsmanship, resulting in a unique piece of furniture tailored to one's preferences. Incorporating wooden bookshelves into interior design requires thoughtful planning to ensure they harmonize with existing decor. The choice of wood tone, finish, and style should complement other furniture pieces, flooring, and wall colors. Lighter woods like maple or birch create an airy and contemporary feel, while darker woods such as mahogany or ebony add a sense of sophistication and warmth. The arrangement of books and decorative elements on the shelves also plays a role in the overall aesthetic, with many designers recommending a mix of vertical and horizontal book placements, along with strategically placed decor items for visual interest. For those with extensive book collections, organizing a wooden bookshelf efficiently can enhance both functionality and visual appeal. Categorizing books by genre, author, or color can create an orderly and attractive display. Adjustable shelves provide flexibility, accommodating books of varying sizes and allowing for reconfiguration as collections grow. Some bookshelves include built-in lighting, highlighting books and decor while adding ambience to a room. Doors or glass panels can offer protection from dust and damage while maintaining an elegant appearance. Wooden bookshelves also serve a practical purpose in professional settings, such as offices and law firms, where they provide an organized and sophisticated storage solution for legal texts, reference materials, and company records. In classrooms and educational institutions, sturdy wooden bookshelves facilitate easy access to learning resources, fostering an environment conducive to study and research. Many businesses use bookshelves not only for books but also for displaying awards, certificates, and decorative items that enhance their brand identity and professional image. Over the years, trends in bookshelf design have evolved, reflecting changes in lifestyle and technology. With the rise of digital reading devices and e-books, some may argue that traditional bookshelves are becoming obsolete. However, many people still appreciate the tactile experience of physical books and the ambience that wooden bookshelves create in a space. As a result, bookshelf designs have adapted, incorporating multifunctional elements such as integrated desks, secret compartments, or even built-in seating areas, blending practicality with timeless elegance. Wooden bookshelves remain a staple in homes, offices, and libraries due to their durability, aesthetic appeal, and versatility. They offer a timeless storage solution that can be customized to fit various styles and needs, reflecting both personal taste and functional requirements. Whether handcrafted by artisans, built as a DIY project, or purchased from a furniture retailer, wooden bookshelves continue to hold cultural, practical, and sentimental value. As sustainability becomes a greater priority, the choice of materials and production methods further adds to the significance of these enduring furniture pieces, ensuring they remain a cherished part of interior spaces for generations to come. And that wraps up our deep dive into wooden bookshelves. Whether you're looking to buy, build, or style one, these timeless pieces of furniture offer both functionality and beauty, transforming any space into a cozy, organized, and stylish haven. From classic oak to modern floating designs, there's a wooden bookshelf for every taste, budget, and home. Remember, proper care and thoughtful arrangement can make a huge difference in how your bookshelf looks and lasts over time. Whether you're using it for books, decor, or a mix of both, the right bookshelf can truly enhance your space and showcase your personality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cookie Decor, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest home and decor tips. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite type of bookshelf? Are you a fan of sleek modern designs or rustic vintage styles? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.